Our adventures continue here in Fenimore at Southwest Tech because February is CTE month, Careers in Technical Education, and Karen joined me. She's one of the culinary instructors, and a lot of times careers in tech education actually will overlap each other, which is what's going on here.
They absolutely do. We've been really lucky to be able to work closely with our ag department. One of the big focuses in the culinary program right now is sustainability.
The agriculture program here at Southwest Tech does a great job of providing different kinds of opportunities to students, and how we've done that over the last 3 years has been we've incorporated a Growtainer into our agronomy program. Our student worker Ian took the challenge head on.
I live over in the student dorm, so I come over here after school and I work in here for like an hour or two every day and go back there. It's just kind of nice to manage your time between homework and you're right here at school, you can do your job.
I'm Emmy Fink, and you're buzzed into Madison.